Well, the numbers are in for March, and you'll have to aim high in this housing market. New data from the Denver Metro Association of Realtors shows luxury listings are leading the pack. For the latest on the housing market, we are joined by our real estate expert, Lyon, who is a realtor and managing broker at Coldwell Banker. Lane, good morning.
Hey, Jordan, good morning. Nice to see you.
Good to see you as well. All right. Well, I like to look at homes over $1 million. A lot of people do. We typically don't afford them. Those are actually the houses that are doing pretty well right now.
Yeah, a lot of activity in this market right now. And buyers in this category typically are impacted less when it comes to interest rate fluctuations like we've seen that's slowing down other parts of the market. So that's definitely happening, and we're seeing a lot of activity over the last month in $1 million+ listings. So let's take a look at some numbers just out this morning from the Denver Metro Association of Realtors. When you look at just homes with price tags over $1 million, Jordan, the number of new listings coming on the market was up 47% compared to February. Listings going under contract with buyers, or what we call pending listings, also up almost 49%. And then the number of closed transactions, the people moving into these houses, up 51% compared to February. That's higher than any other price category in the Denver area right now. The average days on market to sell was 35 days. That's down from 56 days last month. So a lot of activity in this price point, and we want to show you one of the highest listings that sold.
Yes, please.
Last month was in the Cherry Hills area. Ooh,
gorgeous.
Look at that beauty right there.
Absolutely.
$7.3 million. Oh, we're getting a little tour of this. Yeah. This is nice. Six bedroom, 6.5 baths, 7.3 as I mentioned, listed by Compass, sold in 25 days. So congratulations. Oh, can we just move?
I know. Let's just sit and take in this right now.
Looks really, really good, but that 25 days is less than the average days on market for the entire metro area. So definitely a lot of activity in the high end right now.
Yeah, this is actually the closest I ever get to living in these houses. That's exactly what we're doing.
Dare to dream, Jordan.
Right now.
Dare to dream.
Exactly.
Beautiful.
So what about the rest of us Zillow scrollers, us hopefuls, that maybe we're not quite in that market? How's that looking?
Well, springtime is typically a busier time from real estate, and we are seeing it this year as well. And if you go to the other end of the spectrum from luxury, let's talk fixer-uppers for a second.
Yeah, okay.
Lower price point, priced correctly, maybe need a little bit of work. We're finding fix and flippers are coming out of the woodwork. Investors very excited about these houses, multiple offers. Also, turnkey homes. If you're going to sell your home, do all the work in advance, then price correctly. Buyers are looking for homes also that they don't have to do a lot of work to. We're seeing multiple offers there, and buyers are getting creative as well with their offers. Oftentimes offering to pay for seller fees at closing that normally sellers pay for. That's just to stand out. So we're talking a couple of $1,000s compared to a couple of $100,000 last year. So that's the difference. But we are seeing some competition for sure.
All right, Lane, allow me to sound like a broken record. Interest rates. Are we going to see these coming down anytime soon?
I know. That is the $1 million question, if we can use that phrase. The reality is we are seeing interest rates starting to tick down right now. Last month, we saw them go from just around 7% for 30-year loans to about 6.5%. The Feds didn't go quite as high as we expected at their last rate hike. So we anticipate inflation will ease, and the economists that I'm following say that should happen later this year, and we expect interest rates to follow. So as always, we'll keep you covered.
All right, good news there for us. All right, everything from $1 million questions to $1 million listings.
You know what? We have it all here, Jordan, and let's go house hunting today.
Yes, I love that. I want to go to that house that you showed us. All right, Lane, thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Let's get a check of your forecast.